Gentlemen, today we have a special. We've got two compressed natural gas trailers here. It's got 4 cylinders and combined we're sitting at just under 15,000 kPa. PSI wise, that's, I don't know, around 2,900 PSI. We're supplying a temporary gas feed here at the facility. So it's going to be running off compressed natural gas. We're running off a medium pressure feed here. We can run off a 210 kPa, but we're running off 100 kPa. This here is a breakaway fitting, just in case someone takes these trailers away and forgets to disconnect the assembly. The system is earthed, and we're connecting these runs to a custom manifold regulator, step down regulator setup. We have 2 vent valves here to vent down the pressure or relieve the pressure once these trailers are disconnected from the system. You can bleed off that pressure, or to purge out a bit of air if you're reconnecting and disconnecting. We have a filter. Everything's isolatable here. We do have locks for these vents, so don't worry. A 7 kPa outlet opso regulator by Florentine. Now it's set to 7 kPa flow with a 14 kPa opso, and then we do have this pressure relief valve. I've set that at 13 just because in case anything happens, it'll relieve off excess pressure. And then we're going into a 7 kPa fitting line. So that is our little custom setup for a temporary job here to supply this facility with natural gas, all the appliances. Here's a bit of a closer look at the trailer setup here. And in there we have some high pressure step down regulators, and then a manifold down into a high, medium and low pressure being 1.5 in this case. Each one of these cylinders holds around, can hold a maximum of 20,000 kPa, which equates to around 8,000 megajoules per cylinder. So each one of these trailers holds around 36 to 38,000 megajoules, or around 30 cubic meters of gas. So we do this setup. We've done this setup for the past 3 or 4 years for this customer who needs it temporarily for about 4 months every year. And we only really have to refill one of these trailers. So it's a good little setup that we do here. It's fully barricaded and signposted, filled with water. And that is it. Quite proud of these setups that we do when we do them, and that's how we're doing a temporary CNG supply in Victoria.